Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
Exercise B. A summary of the story is given below. Fill in the blanks to complete it, taking appropriate phrases from the box. A dog, stronger than anyone else. The strongest of all, a wolf. The bear, afraid of man. His own master, a lion. This is the story of dash. The answer is a dog. Who used to be dash. The answer is his own master. He decided to find a master dash. The answer is stronger than anyone else. First, he found dash. The answer is a wolf. But the wolf was afraid of dash. The answer is the bear. The dog thought that the bear was dash. The answer is the strongest of all. After some time, the dog met dash. The answer is a lion, who seemed the strongest. He stayed with the lion for a long time. One day, he realized that the lion was dash. The answer is afraid of man. To this day, the dog remains man's best friend. Exercise A. Each word in the box given below indicates a large number of. For example, a herd of cows refers to many cows. Complete each of the following phrases with a suitable word from the box. School, fleet, brood, bundle, bunch, pack, flock, herd. First, a dash of ships. The answer is fleet. Second, a dash of flowers. The answer is bunch. A dash of chicks. The answer is brood. Next, a dash of cattle. The answer is herd. Fifth, a dash of sticks. The answer is a bundle. Sixth, a dash of sheep. The answer is flock. Seventh, a dash of fish. The answer is school. Eighth, a dash of wolves. The answer is pack. Children, these are also called collective nouns. Exercise B. Make nouns from the words given below by adding NESS or ITY. For some words, we need to add just TY or Y. First one, honest, honesty. Second, kind, kindness. Third, cruel, cruelty. Fourth, calm, calmness. Fifth, sad, sadness. Sixth, active, activity. Seventh, creative, creativity. Eighth, sincere, sincerity. 9th, cheerful, cheerfulness. 10th, bitter, bitterness. 11th, sensitive, sensitivity. 12th, great, greatness. Children, so let's begin with question answers of lesson number 2, how the dog found himself a master. First, why did the dog feel the need for a master? Answer is, the dog felt the need for a master because he was sick and tired of wandering about alone, looking for food and afraid of those who were stronger than him. First question, कुत्ते को मास्टर की आवश्यकता क्यों महसूस हुई? आंसर, कुत्ते को मास्टर की आवश्यकता इसलिए हुई क्योंकि वह बीमार और थका हुआ था, अकेले भटकते हुए भोजन की तलाश में और उनसे डरते हुए जो उससे ज़्यादा मजबूत थे. Question 2, who did he first choose as his master and why did he leave that master? Answer, the dog first chose a big, strong and fierce wolf as a master. Once, the dog saw that the wolf was afraid that the bear would eat them up. Since the dog wanted to serve only the strongest, he left the wolf and asked the bear, who was stronger than the wolf, to be his master. Second question, उसने सबसे पहले अपने मास्टर के रूप में किसे चुना? उसने ऐसा मास्टर क्यों छोड़ दिया? आंसर, कुत्ते ने पहले अपने मालिक के रूप में एक बड़ा, मजबूत और भयंकर भेड़िया चुना. एक बार कुत्ते ने देखा कि भेड़िया डर गया था कि भालू उन्हें खा जाएगा. कुत्ता केवल सबसे मजबूत सेवा करना चाहता था, इसलिए उसने भालू को अपना मास्टर बनाया. Question 3, who did he choose next? The answer is, he chose the bear to be his next master. उसने अगला मालिक किसे चुना? आंसर, उसने भालू को अपना मालिक चुना. Question 4, why did he serve the lion for a long time? Answer, he served the lion for a long time because he found there was no more powerful and stronger than the lion in the forest, and so no one dared to touch the dog or offend him in any way. Therefore, the dog lived happily by serving the lion for a long time. उसने लंबे समय तक शेर की सेवा क्यों की? आंसर 4, उसने लंबे समय तक शेर की सेवा की क्योंकि उसने पाया कि वहाँ कोई नहीं था. जंगल में शेर की तुलना में अधिक. प्रश्न 4, उसने लंबे समय तक शेर की सेवा क्यों की? उसने लंबे समय तक शेर की सेवा की क्योंकि उसने पाया कि वहाँ कोई नहीं था. जंगल में शेर की तुलना में अधिक शक्तिशाली और मजबूत और कोई नहीं था. Question 5, who did he finally choose as his master and why? Answer, He finally chose man as his master because one day he realized that the lion was afraid of man. As he wanted to serve someone who was the most powerful and stronger than anyone on earth, he chose man as his master. उसने आखिरकार किसे अपना मास्टर चुना और क्यों? आंसर, उसने अंत में आदमी को अपना मास्टर चुना क्योंकि एक दिन उसे एहसास हुआ कि वह शेर आदमी से डरता था।